Okay, here we have a using a calculator question, clearly because it says use your calculator. Just 1 mark for each part, and then there's a significant figure question at the end there. So how do we type this in? Well, we've got to try and think ahead. So we're going to have this fraction line, so we need to put a fraction in there, and then we can just merrily type in the top. And obviously it helps if you've got one of these calculators that has a really good display on it that allows you to type it in exactly how it is. I will show you a way of doing it on a slightly less sophisticated calculator. So that looks exactly like that, so we can just press equals and we get a fraction. Give your answer as a decimal, so 1.36997635 and 9 for 1 mark. And then write your answer to part B in 3 significant figures. So there's our first 3 digits, so it's going to be 1.3, and then we think about what's going on here. This number rounds it up to 1.37 to 3 significant figures. Now on the calculator, if we're trying to work this out, we don't have access to a fraction button like that one. We could work out the top, where we add the top, and then realise that this fraction line here is a divide line, and then put brackets on the bottom. Minus 7.84. I'll put a bracket around that. So if we bracket the top, bracket the bottom, and then realise that this means divide, we can still do that calculation on any old calculator, even a basic one, and still get an answer that would be accurate.